Hello, this is Week by Week Tech, and today we will be reviewing the Logitech Type Plus case for the iPad Air. So what I really like about this case is it's thin, which some keyboard cases aren't like that. It's kind of waterproof. This fabric is waterproof, as you can see, but it might leak from here and here. But overall design, it's pretty nice. You got that really good feel on it. And in the back, it's basically waterproof. If you pour water onto it, it'll just go from the sides because the sides are curved, as you can see. The overall design is good, but I just don't like this Logitech sign right here. Because it's just annoying when you touch it, because it doesn't feel right from here. They should have put the Logitech sign here instead of here. So it does have this magnetic on and off thing, so it's like a normal iPad case. And when you open it up, you'll see it like that. But as you can see, the hinge can't support itself. And this owl thing isn't supported too. Okay. So, after you open your Type Plus keyboard case, you're going to go into settings. And you are going to go to Bluetooth and just press Type Plus keyboard case and press connect. And after that, it'll say not connected. So you can see there is a magnet here. So you are just going to just click on the magnet, and you'll have a green and blue sign. That means it is connected. So now you are wondering why this keyboard case is much better than other keyboard cases. Well, it has a line of shortcuts. So this is the home button. This is the multitasking button, I guess. Whatever you call it. This is the Siri button. This is, I don't know. It just does this. And this is a keyboard button, so if you want to go search and you want to use your keyboard, it just comes up, press it, goes down again. So I have no idea what this is. It's like a search button. Yeah. And here's a screenshot button. Here is some keys for music and video, volume buttons, and a on-off button, which is useful and quite annoying because when you sometimes press the backspace button, you accidentally press this, and well, it just turns off. Yeah. And the keyboard, it's like a real keyboard. So if you want a comparison, let me just show you. So this is the Logitech MX5000 keyboard, and this is the Type Plus keyboard. The only thing that's different is they got these, and the Fs, and these, and here, this part. And this part, it's basically the same, except instead of the Windows button, there's a command button, and there's a FN button right here. The key spacing, the key length and width, it's basically all the same. So, yeah, that's the good part about it. It's like you're actually typing on a real keyboard. The great thing about this weird hinge is that you can have lots of viewing modes, like this, or like, I don't know, like that. It doesn't stand though, it's not supposed to be like that, but as you can see, someone made it stand, and it's like a standing iPad, almost. So these are the official viewing modes of this keyboard case. One is work mode or type mode, and the other one is reading mode. So Logitech says that it's great for reading because it's got a little angle right here. The battery is very great. Logitech says it can last 3 months without a battery charge, which it's 100% possible. You'll charge it for 1.5 hours. You can use it for 3 months straight without charging it. I have never charged this little guy right here for about 5 months, and it's still quite nice. So it's a mini USB port, the blue button right here. This is the charging port. And the cable that Logitech sends you is pretty small. So I recommend you to use your phone charger, Android phone charger, or just buy a mini USB wire that's pretty long, because it's about the length of this space key right here. The one bad thing about this case is, unlike other Zac cases, this does not have a backlit keyboard. Yeah. And there are commands and stuff that you can do on this. So I can press the spacebar to wake, and I can type in my password. And you can do the commands. Like I want to go on news, brings me to news, I go back. So that is it for the review of the Logitech Type Plus case. Thank you for watching and subscribe.